Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. How you doing? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, talk to me.
Yeah.
Hello? I'm not hearing you.
I'm listening. Yeah.
I'm not hearing you, man. I'm not hearing you.
Can you approach your phone or something?
Yeah, the control modules on the car. The control. The co- the
So
co-
I'm a boomer, and that's kind of brand new for me. And can you give me the orders?
Oh, you need an order. You need an order number.
No, no. I mean that. I'm a new guy, and I'm here to help this man.
Yeah.
And what's going on? Yeah. How can I help you?
Okay. All right. We have 6 control modules not responding. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. All right. We have this control mod. That control module. That control module is in red. All right. This is in red. This is in red. This is in red. This one is in red. That one is in red. And this one is in red. Okay. 6 of them. If you check the power on the ground, it will be okay. If those are okay, if we have voltage on the multimeter from the ground, and if you have voltage on the wiring, that's the red wires and the ground wires, if you check them and they have voltage there, that means the fuse is okay and the distribution box is okay. The control modules, if they have been damaged by water, they need to be replaced. Is the reason why they won't be either orange color or green color in ISTA D. If they are red in ISTA D, they will also be red here in ISIS. And I can't flash and code them.
Okay, that's kind of too much information for me. Yeah.
Okay, it's too much.
Can you just tell me what to do, or yeah?
Okay, all right. Oh gosh, fuck. It's too much information. All right, let me tell you. This module right here. This is active sound design.
So, what about those red, yeah, red numbers? What is it? What is it for?
Yeah, active sound design. The ASD is active sound design. Oh, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Wait, let me show you. Hmm?
ICMTR is VC so I got it. And what's required to me to replace those models?
Okay, you have to first check check, check the fuse. You have to check the fuse and the ground. If those are okay, the modules has to be replaced.
Fuse and ground connections. Houston. Oh shit. Okay. Цаазаа шалгасан биш үү? Net нэг fuse нэг газ зүгээр гэсэн биш үү? So, if they are okay and connected, we have to order those things, right?
Yes, if you have voltage supply, if you have voltage supply on the multimeter for each red wire and ground wire that powers the module, if the voltage
Then IC and TRC эдгээр нь болохоор эдгийг нь өөрөөр солих хэрэгтэй гэдэг нь байхгүй юу? Тэр fuse and ground гэсэн нь энэ хэрэг зүгээр хоорондоо холбоотой байх юм бол та дахиад өөр шинийг эсвэл өөрөө ашиглаж ирсэн модулийг захиалах хэрэгтэй гэж. So, so are those models broken or they were just right there and it's broken or they weren't there?
those modules were in red when he have the used BDC coded and that BDC start the car. Those modules were red. There were actually 9 of them. I know one time it was 7. I know it is 6. So yes, those modules need to be replaced. Once the module is not communicating, it's because it's not waking up. Either it's water damage or the module has some form of short circuit to it. The modules have to be bought either new or used. Okay, it's just the way with BMWs. Once they don't communicate with the central gateway, they're gonna show up red on ISTA-D control unit 3. Right now, I'm going to run ISTA-D and I'm going to show you how they are in red. Let me disconnect this here.
So, let's hang for a moment, then I'll call you by phone, right? Then I'll show you the car, inside of the car.
Okay. Yes.
So, what do you really need to see?
Well, I need to look at the Well, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you. Let the computer here, let ISTA-D here read out the car. I'm going to show you the control models that are in red, not responding, and I'm going to pull up the wiring diagram and show you how to check the fuse with multimeter. Okay, just be patient. It's going to take time. It's going to take time.
Takes time means how long is it?
I don't know. I mean, perhaps an hour or more. You know, BMW, man, it takes long. You know, it takes long. it takes very long. It takes long. BMW, it takes long to repair. It takes long. The software it reads out the car slow, and it just I don't know why. BMW, they should have made the software to be much more user friendly, and it should be processed to the computer CPU much more faster. It's pretty slow. The software is slow. Oh gosh. Woo.
So the red ones are broken, and the yellow is just a kind of a little bit damaged, and green ones are working fine, right?
Yes, the yellow ones they have fault codes, and the green ones they do not have any fault codes. The ones in red are not responding, so that is why they're being red. Those are the ones I'm telling him to replace. Just replace them. That's it. If you replace them, when you purchase the replacement, it should show up, and then we can program and code those, and the car should be able to function properly. And then I'll delete the fault codes, and then we can, you know, go on. But each BMW, whenever something is not responding, it forces you to change the control module, and then you program and encode a new control module, and then we delete the fault codes after we program and encode. And if we have to run any service function like calibration and so on, then we do that, and it should work. That is how BMW is designed to work. It's network-based computer system on bus wiring, so it has to be done according to how the BMW make it at the factory, and all the guys at the dealership worked on it. So I learned it that way. I learned to restore the car back to factory working order. That's my technical expertise. So I'm guiding him in the right direction. So you have to just, I know it costs money to buy a lot of control units. I know if you cannot get some of the control modules, they cannot be replaced with used one. You have to buy a new one. Because if the module contains mileage data, BMW said we can reuse it because maybe the module does not flash correctly or encode it, and it forces you to buy a new one. All these in red, we can buy them used, and then long as it communicates, we can write programming data and coding data to it, and then we run service function to calibrate, and then it should work. It should work. It should work. Woo!
He said that. So if he buys PCU and is the wires are coming.
Uh-oh. Or wait. Yeah?
I just worried that so if he orders PCU and he asked if I buy those PCU model thing, and is the wire coming together?
The wiring. Yes, we have to check out the wiring first. We have to check the wiring out.
He said if he can show you the video inside of the car.
Yes. When you make the video, yes, when you make a video, just turn the phone horizontal, sideways, so it captures a wide field of view. Yes, show me the video of it. Just do not make the video too short. Just make the video long enough, and do not move the phone around. Do not move the phone rapidly. Just make it move slow across what you showed me.
So I'll call you video call.
Okay, all right, no problem, buddy. All right, no problem. But you can make. All right, look. If you do video call, I think the resolution will drop over Skype. You have to just make the video and then transfer the video to your laptop here, and then I'll open it and watch it. The video resolution, they will drop it over Skype. I will probably see it not so clear. So it's the same thing with WhatsApp. All right. So if you want to do video, you can go ahead and show me the video of it. No problem. But you can go ahead, buddy. When we finish with the car, you can go ahead and. Or if you want to show me now, you can show me now. You can go ahead and make the video. Those models.
So you prefer to receive a video, right?
You can make video and show me the control modules that are in red. If you can show me them, you need to. The car, was it water damaged?
Right, it's better to call you through video. Yeah. Not making video, I'll call you now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Good.
Okay. Yeah,
Are
sure.
you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
You see?
So, can you do me a favor?
Yes.
A little bit slow talking because the car and those problems are brand new for me. Just it's new, and I'm just trying to figure it out to connect you
Okay.
to this guy. And actually, I don't really know him. I'm just here to help. And yeah.
Арга сая гэсэн энэ хуучныг би таруудаад тавьсан Америкаас гэж нэр дахиад шинийг захиасан. Аваарай гэдэг авсан юм. BMW дилерээс сая 5 цагийн хаачин махан авсан холбооны хүн холболт модод нэмж холбоотой би hodгийн дараа авсан тул энэ машиныг энэ хуучныгаа буцаж тавьж байгаа тасаагаад тэгээ уун жиний энэ шиг гадаад зогсоод явах болоо машины сахилжаатын айгуу басдаг. Уул машин армаасаа тэгээ байн холбоотой байгаа. Энэ бизнесийнхаа дараа би тавьсан тохиолдол тавьсан байгаа энийг би хараад энэ шинийг одоо энэ шинийг тохиолдол шинийг энэ зүйл энэ машинаас ямар нэгэн компьютер суулж шүүх юм олцсон байхгүй. Ганц энийг хамгийн анх нөгөө бидний 150 мянга явсны 50 болгож бидний багасгахаас тэр энэ дэр нөгөө хамгийн анх
Voilà.
Америк руу захиасаад ийм хуучин байгаа. Энэ хүн тэгээд
Боже валаа.
энэ шинийг захиасаад тэгээ болно гэсэн энэ шинийг захиаж ирж байна.
Okay.
Yeah. What? You're laughing.
Yeah, I'm laughing and actually, this thing was working and it was powered on and well, it's just interested, but had a little some problems.
Yeah.
Ямар problems? It was a month ago. All from America, and the new one is from Germany. That's interesting. He ordered from Germany in Bavaria.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it?
Okay. When he replaced the used, when he replaced the used car, when he used a used a used BDC, well, usually BMW wouldn't recommend you use a used BDC because of certain things that they cannot change inside of it, mileage data or VIN number. But he said he uses AutoX or Abrites to change the VIN number and the ISN number. Oh, he told me that he take a EPROM chip from the original BDC and he put that EPROM chip in that one in your hand. The car started, yes, and so on, but he still have problems. So we couldn't work through the problems because it allows at least 9 control units not to communicate on the bus. So I thought that BDC that has the EPROM chip from the original BDC that came with the car from factory, I thought that would be the problem when he made the swap of the EPROM chip. Okay, so that is the reason why I told him to order a brand new body domain controller from BMW and then call me and let me program and encode it and so on. Now we communicate now. We communicate with all control modules except 6. So we have improvement because previously it was 9 control modules that were not responding, and now 3.
Three of them.
Yes, 3 of them now communicate with the new one, and then we only have 6 now to rectify. So I say to him, if he can be skillful in using multimeter and check out the fuse and the ground connection, you have to check it out at the wiring that connects to each module. Okay, if voltage.
He checked it and it was working. He said.
I want you to be there to check it with him. I'm going to pull up the wire diagram for all the models in red, and we're gonna directly go to the module on the car, and then we're gonna have the multimeter to check if there's voltage on the red wire and the ground wire that powers those modules on. Once voltage is showed up on the brown and red wire there, then the module has to be replaced. You see now? Because it has to be one of two things. Either no power is on the wire, no electrons is flowing in the wire to the modules, or the module is not turning on because of that reason. Or there are electrons flowing in the wire and it goes to the module, but the module is not turning on, meaning that the module is dead. It has to be replaced. It's the reason why it is in red on the control unit 3 on ISTA-D. ISTA-D is the BMW dealership software right now reading out the car. So that is the reason why I tell them to go the way or the dealership do it, just to make the job easier and so on. We can narrow down as to how to fix the control units that is not responding. You know what I mean? I'm just doing it the way I trained to do it at the dealership. So that is how I get solution very quickly. I get solution that way. So that is how I'm trained to do it. So that is how I recommend him should do it. Restore the car back to factory working order, but when you put a new BDC there, if control modules is not responding, we only can but troubleshoot the ground wiring and the red wiring and the fuse. If voltage is okay at the connector that plugs into the module, we have to replace the module. There's no workaround to it. We can't force that module to wake up. It's just electrically dead inside, you know?
Okay. I get it.
So maybe some price will incur on the customer that owns the car and they don't want to spend any more money, and then it becomes a little bind to him. He may be, fretting and worrying a little bit, but tell him, man, if they don't want to replace the motor in the car, tell him to just, pay the guy for what he did and just take their car and fuck off. Just that simple, because you can't do shit and spend more money if they don't want to agree to pay you back for the motor.
Can you reply to last sentence?
Huh?
Can you repeat the last sentence?
If the owners of a car do not want to replace the control modules,
Okay.
if they cannot,
control module with small okay then.
yes. If
he doesn't want to replace it, then
yes, just tell the guy to charge them for working on the car of the jobs that he did on the car, and just give them their car and let them fuck off. It's just that simple. If they don't want to spend money to buy the control models that he recommend, then just charge them for whatever job you did on the car and whatever money you spend into it. Let them pay you for your time and your money, and then give them what their car. It doesn't make any sense. You die for customers, man. Customers, they have to, if they want BMW, BMW is a high-end luxury car. These cars require money. It's not like you want to take money from people, but if the models is not communicating, there's nothing that the BMW tech can do to let that model turn on. It's electrically dead inside. It has to be replaced. And then when you get new module, we program it in code, and it should work. It should, delete all the fault codes away, and it should work. It's just that, many people want to have BMWs, but when the problem comes, they don't want to spend the money and deal with it, and so on. So that is why I say what I say, you know what I mean? Because I encounter a lot of people here in Miami, in USA, they want to get job done cheap, and they don't want to spend money and buy the fucking modules that you told them to buy, and all of a sudden you must make a magic work for them to solve the problems on their car. So, there are a lot of people here in Miami like that. I can't snap my finger and make a magic work. You have to literally replace part if part is necessary to be replaced. Once the voltage is okay on the wiring, once the voltage is coming from the distribution box at the front and at the rear, once the fuse is not blown, once we measure the multimeter that the ground is okay and there's no LIN bus wire disconnection, the module has to be replaced. It has to be replaced. Because as you can see, the other control modules wake up. The other control modules in yellow and in green, those communicate. Some with fault codes and some does not have fault codes.
Яач стрессын солих ёстой гэдэг юм. За тэгээд BMW чинь яг F15 кейсээс өмнө өөр BMW машин ашиглажсэн модулыг ашиглахад тохиромжтой байдаг. Тэгээд F15-ээр нах юм бол ингэ ашиглахад аюул төвхтэй. Хэрвээ яалч эзэн тэрийг солиулахгүй яг хуучнаа ашиглах яг юм бол зүгээр өөрөөр нь суулсан дээрээ.
Угаасаа ийм илтгэлтэй машин гэсэн юм анханаас Америкас тийм гэсэн юм. Тэр ганц нэг юм.
Энэ залаа болохоор би хэрэг наач юм байсан бол өөрөө хараад байна. Зөвхөн эндээс л аюул төвхтэй байна. Нэг цаг авах юм. Яалч вэ улаанаар авах хэрэгтэй. Чи өмнө 9 юм улаан байсан биз дээ. Уран янзлсан биш тий. 9-ийн Алтатагийн заажсан уран янзлсан байгаа юм байна. 906-ын яах юм бол яаж ч биш.
Одоо ганц энийг бичиж байхад эдгээр нь болохоор бичиж юм байна.
Энийг нь холбоод байгаа юм биш нэг л.
Ахын л одоо хүний машиныг болгож өгөх ядраад авах юм.
Харин тийм.
Тэгээд ганц энийг бичиж дахиад баахан гэж
Тэр бүр хооч эвдэрсэн бүр аюул ажиллахгүй.
Буруу буруу шиг гэдэг. Нэг ахын бас хийхгүйгээр энэ хэцүү үснийг хийх юм байна.
Одоо энэ өөр янзлах гэж байна. Эвдэрсэн юм.
Монголд адын ясны BMW
So he called the official company of BMW to fix it, and they said this car was. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
They said that it's not able to be fixed because this car has used different models or do something, and that means it's not able to be fixed anymore. And yeah, so here is no place to fix it, no place which is not able to fix it. And so you wanted to order more models, right? Which is seen on that screen, red. So what is it?
All right, wait. I'm gonna calculate measure plan first. Wait. Don't click anything, okay? Just wait.
So the first the driving kilometers was 100,000. Is that a mile? And he changed it to 72,915.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
So he was changing the so how is it called? I don't know, but he changed the driving a mile to 72,950. That's the reason why it's broken, he said.
Okay. Oh well. If the mileage is changed, no big deal. That is not any threat much. The mileage here shows right here 72,915. He changed it. No big deal. That's not the problem here. As long as the cluster and the BDC accept the mileage.
So эдгээр нь анхаас идэрсэн байсан бол тайвс тэр юм том шүү дээ. Тэний яг эвцгээд байгаа чинь зөвхөн энэ юм биш үү? So this man has broken only this one, but he still doesn't know those red models were already broken, or
yes,
did he break it? He doesn't know it.
Yes, the red model, the red modules were already broken. When that module you have in your hand there, when that was in the car first, yes, we have 9. I make video of all of those, so I have.
Those red guys were already broken before he got it, right?
Yes, because I remember when I read out the car the first time, I remember that I saw a lot of red modules with the VDC that is in your hand. Yes, this was the same thing there. Yes, there were probably 9 or more of them, and then. Oh gosh, I gotta find those. You see that?
Yeah, I'm watching the video.
Yeah.
Point, right?
Yeah, that is the body domain controller you have in your hand. That is when it was plugged into the car the first time I read it out. Those are the control modules that were not responding.
영상도 있지만 우딘 사서 이렇게 됐습니다.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
There they are, right there. See them?
Yeah, there are 7 of them.
Yeah.
But the greens were much, and now the yellows are crowded. Oh shit. Yeah, we're talking about it. And so in this video,
Yeah.
that paragraph, that map or something, actually, I'm not so academic one. And so he was using this one from US.
Yes.
The picture and this one is matching, and he still doesn't know it was already broken or something, and yeah, that's a problem. Sure.
Yes, because maybe he did not know what red mean. Red color mean the models are not communicating. Yes, those were on it. Those control models were in red the first time he called me and I log on to his system. Okay? And that is why I make the videos. Just to the videos when I make them is to upload on YouTube, and also it allows me to go back and look back at to what kind of a work I've done, and it tell me the state of the car that the car was in when I look at it. You understand what I made the video for?
Okay.
Yeah, I said I make the videos because it tells me what the state of the car was in when I first logged onto it. So that is why I upload these videos on my YouTube channel, just to bring it up back to show people that the car was in that state when I read it out. All right?
So
yeah.
Now
Yeah.
I have to make video back of the car, right?
Huh?
So wait a minute. Hello? But qu'on attend la chute de nous. Die John so wissen.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. You're hearing me?
Ay motorcycle 하나는 얘기가? So he said that can you teach him or can you show him where are the exact models to replace it? He just wants to change it.
Yes, I'm going to show you. Yes, I'm going to show you. Be patient, okay?
Okay, I'm patient actually.
Yeah.
Because you guys are talking at the same moment, and also that's brand new for me.
Yeah.
And he's talking and you are talking at the same time, and I'm just trying to press.
Television TV mode.
And actually, I'm kind of a little bit drunk, you know.
Television TV mode. Ah,
Too
boy.
much pressure for me now.
Oh boy, I hear you. Woo.
So, is there any hope that we can figure it?
Yes,
What do you think?
we're gonna fix it. I am going to use the wiring diagram and call up the location of where those control modules are installed in the car. Relax, I'm gonna find them. I'm just going through the central gateway to see if we can synchronize FlexRay, okay?
Okay. And actually, can you do me a favor? Your native speaker and a little bit slower.
Oh, okay. Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You're right. I'll speak a little bit slower. I'm Jamaican, so I talk a lot of fast shit.
제 어떤 알았어요.
그러니까 그들이 타야지 않아. 그들이 타고 치죠. 이미 이미 이 가서 한 가지 진짜 남자 시 하나서 어떤 주주의 타이고 간증이 타서 좀
So he asked that if he changes those all 6 models,
Yeah.
which is red,
Yeah.
can it be fixed?
Of course. Yes. Yes.
근데 있었던 것 같아요.
Yes. Boy, I mean, fuck request on that ask man.
그걸 예를 들어 모토도 나와 한 거기는 이들들 말고 이제 저쪽 이들이 뒤지 더는 없고 이제 뭐가 나가요.
Adamın Ортааны хийгдсэн болохоор хажуудлын шаргууны царайхаа ажиллаж байгаа юм шиг үнэхээр би гинттэйгээсээ болоод гачигтай байж байна. Тэр ерөөсөө юм улаанаар яцсан байна.
тэгвэл ямар ч гэсэн би маргааш зургийн дагуу зургууд тэнцээ байж байгаа юм шиг. магадгүй тог нь очоогүй гэж би тог ороод нөгөө контент ороод ирэх ажил явуулчих.
Энэ бос нөгөөний юмнууд нь энд зарагдсан. Бас захиал захиал марсан юм шүү дээ. Одоо шин залууны яг хаан байрлал юм байна. Тэдний сорчин бол мэдээж ажилгүй байна.
Тэгээ одоогийн энэ салхины нэг 2 3 компьютерууд одоо юу байхыг одоо би мэдчихээд байна яг нарийн. Дээрээс нь энэ компьютеруудыг нь болохоор шинж байж болно, хуучин хийж болно хамаагүй захиалаад авчихаа.
Тийм. Ерөөдөө өмнө баг шилжижсэн байлгүй гэсэн. Ягаад тэгэхээр Google нь аль хэдийн өгсөн байдаг болохоор. Тэгвэл шинээр авч байгаа нь болохоор тайлт шинээр нөө програмчлал.
Энэ тэгээд хуучин яа бодсон шинээр явуулсан. Хараад одоо шинж захиалж байгаа. Тэгэхээр юу нэг ихтэй дахин одоо тэр модулууд яг хаана гаргаж ирэх юм. Тэгээд залгын залхахад 12 байж дотор энэ чинь залгын дотор нь 5 байж байх хэвээр 12 байж байх хэвээр газрууд нь тест бариулж ирэх. Одоо энэ апаа мод. Тэдэд магадгүй тог очихгүй байдаг. Энэ эдгээр тоогоор хангах нэг гал хамгаалагч ч юм уу нэг тайлбарч хийж чинь. Тэрийг нахын шийдэж чинь бол магадгүй бүгд ороод ирчих чинь.
Энэ яг BMW-д ажиллах үзлээ юм тийм.
Энэ гадаад уу? Энэ гадаадаас олон улсад ингэж интернетээр ийм засаг үйлчлэгээр ийм ажил хийх. Тэрний энийг сайхан болгоод өгвөл ах нь бас мөнх томтож явах явах болж. Тэр хүн чи өөрөө програмаар суулгаад өөрөө хийх програм өөрөө компьютер дээр наадаж хайж ярьж ингээд ийм
өөрөө энийг янзлахад компьютер өгсөн юм тийм.
Компьютер худалдаж авсан. Худалдаж аваад чадaltaа компьютер энэ i7-ийн ийм ESUC компьютер гэдэг. Тэгээд дээрээс нь чи өөрөө бас энэ програмуудаа над руу даунлоад хийж интегрейт хийх програм
таасыг болж байна.
Энийг худалдаж аваад энэ програмуудыг худалдаж аваад энэ хүчин бүгдийг суулгаад ингээд өөрөө яасан. Одоо тэгээд энийг гүйцэд дуусгаад хүний энийг за таны энэ яалтаа сайхан байна гэдэг ингээд ажиллагаа явуулаад шалгаан бүгд өгч. Тэгэхгүй бол тэр хүн надаас
одоо нэг бичлэг хийгээд ч юм уу эсвэл яг тодорхой цагийн дараа яа тэр эн чинь саяны бичлэгээс шүү дээ. Тэр нь аль сарын өмнө хийхдээ ийм байсан. Одоо яхад ийм байна. Тэрийг яхад бас давхар YouTube дээр тавьдаг
өөрөө сурчлаа гэдэг.
Тэгээ хийсэн ажлаа ингэж хийсэн.
Чи ганц биш бүх сүүлийн оноо харин энэ чи 14 оноо бүр 20 оноо сүүлийн оноо гэдэг. Олон тэгэхээр энэ машинд угаасаа энэ модулууд нь ихтэй байсан. Би мэдхгүй нэг мэдчихэд нөгөө хүн алдаагүй надаас авах гэдэг.
Хэцүү анх машин авах гэсэн шалтгаан.
Ийм програм авах байгаа юм. Яг энэ чинь бол зөвхөн BMW юм.
Энэ тэгэхээр яг юуг нь ашиглах програм вэ?
Энэ ер нь бүх сүлжээг нь. Чинь одоо
багийн машинд бол юм байх шүү.
Энэ бол бүх сүлжээг нь. Сүлжээг хооронд нь холбож өгдөг. одоо энэ шиг үлдчихэв. Энийг тавиул одоо асаа энэ жоохон харуулаад програм фүүрийн тавьсан. А одоо энэ шин дээрээ л одоо хийсэн зүйл яагаад
энийг ажиглах юм болох байсан юм.
Яг энэ чинь одоо тэр ганцхан улаан тоглох бүх ногоон тоглосон.
Тэгээ янз бүрийн модерддаг хэрэгтэй.
Тэгээ гол нь нөгөө хүн чинь ийм алдаагүй юм аа. Энэ машин угаасаа л тийм интернет биш байсан. Айгуу Америктэй юм хавьж татсан шүү дээ. Тэгээ хүмүүс би чинь цөөрөөс юм авсан нэртэй одоо зүгээр болж байна шүү дээ.
Та яах гэж авсан?
Hello, bro. You there? Hello.
Тэгээд машин програм толгойд уншсан алдаа зараад шалгалтай үйл явдлаа.
So yeah, I'm looking at
question. Энэ болохоор гал хамгаалагчийн вайрын зургийг гаргах. Тийм гал хамгаалагчаа дамжиж энэ компьютер хийд юм байна гэх тээ. Энэ power control unit-ийг хаа вэ? Зургийг question. Тэрээс шинэ power control unit энэ машин байхгүй юу? Угаасаа байхгүй машин гэх. Өөр юм ажилладаг хүмүүс. Тэгэхэд энэ модулны залгуур нь хаана байгаа юм? Энэ модул нь хаана байгаа юм? Байхгүй нэг одоо яах вэ? Ингээд хэлж байгаа. Энэ биш power control unit хоёулаа сая компьютер хажууд байх хэрэгтэй энэ зайг байдаг гэх. Өөр нэг дээр байдаг. Энэ чинь энэ байдаг гэх. Энэ машин угаас байхгүй. Тэгэхэд одоо шингээж байх.
Зөвхөн эзэн мал анх авахдаа зүгээр нэг арга цаалаа болгоцсон юм авсан байсан. Okay.
Power control module нь энэ дээр байна. Ажин.
Одоо ерөөсөө хойлоос харсан юм.
За, яг энэ
харагдчихсан. Энэ харагдчихлаа.
Яг power control module нь ажин.
So, which one is the power control?
This one, the one that says N7.
Yeah, PC unit. Okay. So those what another?
Hey, hello, bro.
Okay.
Yo, what's your name, man?
Just on the grounds.
Okay, girls. Okay. Look here. Take a picture of those things right there. Okay.
But okay, that those yellow things were not there. That's the problem. That was blank. There was nothing.
The power control module is not on the battery pack.
What is it again?
The power control module. It was not on the battery.
Yeah. So if you need to see it, I'll take a picture and send it.
All right. No. Don't send any picture to me. I'm already saving it. I'm just telling the other guy there to take a picture of it so he can know where the module is located. Okay. Look, you're gonna go here. Z2. The fuse box said Z2.
Which part is it? Oh yeah. Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
So, where did you get this picture?
It's in the software. It's built. Everything is built inside the software in order for us to know the location.
So it's connected to the car, right? It's connected.
Yes, it's connected to the car. Yeah.
But okay, you said it's connected to car, but those can you show me the previous picture? Тэгвэл энэ шорон холбогдсон яг ачаад байна. Энэ ямар ч зүйл.
Нэг бол энэ шинэ ирсэн юм а жоохон буруу харагдаж байгаа шүү. Тийм энэ чинь өөрөө тийм модул та гэж энэ харагдаж байгаа. Нөгөө юмнуудаа ихэд идэг тэгэхээр энэ машинд байдгүй. Тэгээд байгаа.
It's requiring but there's nothing.
Тийм энэ чинь энэ машинд байхгүй.
So you mean that can I say it again? You mean that those yellow things are in the back of the car, right? At the moment.
Yes, yeah, it should be at the back of the car on the battery, just as how you see it in the picture.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Those
Okay. It should be at the back of the car, but it's not in the.
because somebody interfered with the car before they get it. Yeah, the car is it bought from an auction or is it bought from is it crashed, water damaged?
Osmo sa zaman dengan bikin step of semua gitu. Bikin semua.
뭐 갈아둘 수가 없어요. дах이라도 시키지 되었으니 당장 자석으로 그게 들어오긴 좋아.
Do you have to see the picture?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take a picture at the back of the car on the battery. Let me see it. Yeah, you can take a picture of that. Let me see. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will come back.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Quando colocasse um pouquinho de água por sola. Someone threw away the one that says Z3. Two of them box there, you know, blood clean, one to the extreme left of the car. BMW have a lot of shit to it, boy. Oh, a Z3. One, two, three red wires to check. You see that? So that module here not responding. I have some shit to it, bro. It have PT can high and PT can low and wake up.
No. 그래도
Ямар ч зүйлсэн ямарс энэ хоёр шараар шараа яг нэг энэ хоёроо лайчтай байх хэрэгтэй.
машин байх.
Харин байх. Тэгэхээр наачаа
энэ харамсахад энэ нөхөж байх ёстой гэж харамсчихад тэр тэдрийг нэхээд улаан байна. Энийг авахнаас нь байхгүй юм.
Now we're sending you the pictures.
Okay.
Oh shoot.
뭘 하고 이 차수. Sure.
I'm not sure if I can get up tomorrow. Hello. Did you get it?
Yeah, I get it, alright. Hey,
Okay.
the picture is not taken properly, man. Alright, there is it. That is it right there. PCU. That's it. That is it right there. Power control unit. That red thing right there. That is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red wires. And we have roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7.
걔네들 이제 그대로의 모상 탈착이 있으시죠. 이제 그대로의 모상 탈착.
발상에서 본 거 있었어.
And the IB is connected to it as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, IBS does not connect to this. Go all the way to the DMA. Yeah.
компьютер тоглоомны юм боломжтой хамгийн видео гараад үзүүлсэн. Нэг тэрэгээ хардтаа 250 руу нээсэстэй.
Hey.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yeah, brother. Okay. He needs a multimeter now to check the fuse on the ground connection for voltage. Okay. We're gonna check these wires. We're gonna check this one here, the red one, on this right here. We're gonna check that. We're gonna check this one. And we're gonna check this one. Okay. We're gonna check those wires here. There's a fifth. We're gonna go here. Z3 at the back. Yeah, Z3. Yeah, that's the fuse box right there that we're looking at right there. This one right here.
Okay, G3 and G2, right?
No, we're doing Z3 first. We're checking for, there's a 50 amp fuse there. You're gonna check with the multimeter here. You're gonna find this wire. This wire. The red wire is called Z3 asterisk 2B. Right here.
2B.
You follow?
So we will first check the G3 2B, right?
Yes. Put multimeter on 12 volt scale, and then put the red lead of multimeter on the red wire, and then there's a ground wire that is called N71B. N71B would be on, let me find it. There's a full brown wire there. It is ground. This one right here.
G27B, G32B.
Here's the ground wire, N71B. You see that right there? N71B. That's ground wire, okay?
Ground wire N71B, N7B.
You will check, use the multimeter, measure the voltage, measure if you get voltage on the wires, okay? And let me know if listen, if voltage is on the wire, that means the control module is to be replaced. You got it?
No, I didn't get it.
If when you measure with multimeter the voltage, if the voltage of 12 volts or 13 volts showed up on the multimeter, that means the module has to be replaced. The module is the fault. If no voltage showed up, that means you have to look at the fuse. The 50 amp fuse may be blown inside of the module itself, the Z3 fuse box. Okay, so this right here. This distribution box right here, the fuse in it is built in it. You cannot replace the fuse little by little. The fuse and the relays in it cannot be replaced. The whole module itself have to be replaced and so on. So you check the voltages on the wiring that says Z3 2B and also N71B. And then if the voltage is on the meter and the voltage is at the same voltage on ISTA D there, 13 volts, let me show you. Yeah. Measure the voltage. Get multimeter please and measure voltage. Let me know, okay?
Okay. Now checking it.
Yeah. And take a picture of it. Hello? Hello, hello. Okay, YouTubers, this is part one of working on the BMW F15. Certain control modules like the power control unit not responding, and we're checking it out right now. Alright, I'm gonna end this part of the video right now, and we're gonna begin part two because I can't allow this thing to go up to 1 hour and over, and then it can't be saved and rendered. Okay, so we're gonna end this part one of troubleshooting the control modules in red on yesterday on the BMW F15 for our client in Mongolia, China.